Welcome to Jacksonville, where Everbank Stadium is about to be catapulted into the future with a massive $1.4 billion transformation. The Jacksonville Jaguars aren't settling for a simple facelift. They're gearing up for a complete revolution. Picture this: a stadium that expands to 4 times its current width, boasting 63,000 seats and packed with cutting-edge technology. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a bold vision that will shape the next 30 years of football in Jacksonville. For nearly 30 years, Everbank Stadium has been the beating heart of the Jacksonville Jaguars. But as time has passed, the stadium's infrastructure has aged, and it's starting to lag behind the world's elite venues. Now, that's all about to change. This ambitious renovation isn't just about fixing what's old. It's about breathing new life into the stadium, transforming it into a beacon of modern design and sustainability. From Jaguars games to international mega events, this new stadium will do it all. With a monumental budget and an expected economic impact of $2.4 billion, this project is far more than an upgrade. It's a bold vision that will redefine Jacksonville's sporting and entertainment scene. The Jaguars will not only remain a source of local pride, but will also continue to be a cornerstone of the community for generations to come. Everbank Stadium isn't just getting a facelift, it's becoming the stadium of the future. Let's take a trip down memory lane. Since 1995, Everbank Stadium has been the Jacksonville Jaguars' fortress, the pulse of the city, and the stage for unforgettable touchdowns, nail-biting moments, and some tough defeats. But after nearly 3 decades, it's clear the stadium has seen better days. The 2024 Everbank Stadium failures. The report laid it all out. Creaky pipes, questionable electrics, and plumbing issues that had fans worried. Something had to change. The stadium was also starting to feel outdated, especially when compared to the sleek, high-tech arenas popping up around the country. It desperately needed a serious upgrade, one packed with cutting-edge technology, eco-friendly design, and the kind of amenities that make every game feel like the Super Bowl, not just a nostalgic trip. From the team's perspective, they needed to fill more seats and bring in more revenue. And let's not forget the city. Jacksonville and the Jaguars are a perfect match. The team isn't just about football, it's about community pride and a major boost to the local economy. But there were even whispers that if the stadium didn't get its much-needed overhaul, the Jaguars might pack up and head to London. Talk about a close call? Jacksonville is on fire, in the best way possible. The city's raking in awards as one of the best places to live, boasting a booming job market and being a prime spot to start a business. And let's not forget the Jags. They had an incredible playoff season and are hungry for more. With its beautiful waterfront, thriving sports scene, and friendly community, Jacksonville is a city on the rise. So, what better time to double down on the future? Well, enter the Stadium of the Future. But don't think this was just a simple renovation. This is a full-on revolution. If you think it's all smooth sailing from here, think again. The challenges that almost derail this massive project will blow your mind. Tackling a renovation of this scale is no small feat. The Jaguars management had to make a tough call right from the start. Should they build a brand new stadium or give the existing one a major overhaul? After some serious number crunching and engineering evaluations, renovation came out on top. A new stadium would have cost around $2.5 billion, while a renovation came in at nearly half that price. Not to mention, renovating is much kinder to the planet. So the decision was made to go with the renovation. But trust me, that's just the beginning of this story. Since the city of Jacksonville owns the stadium, the next big challenge was getting the city council on board. Under the current lease, the city is responsible for maintenance, improvements, and eventually replacing the stadium. The Jaguars, with a 30-year lease, are just one of several tenants. So, any major changes required a team effort and city approval. No easy feat, as getting everyone to agree on anything can feel like a circus. Then there was the money issue. Neither the city nor the Jaguars could cover the entire cost alone, which led to some intense negotiations over how to split the bill. The city's contribution needed approval from both the city council and the mayor's office, making this financial balancing act crucial. The Jaguars even organized several community meetings to hear directly from fans and locals, ensuring everyone was on the same page. Imagine a room full of passionate fans all eager to share their thoughts. Now that's teamwork. And then there was the not-so-small task of figuring out where the Jaguars would play during construction. They needed to find a temporary home for the team. With so many moving parts, every detail had to be carefully planned and negotiated to make sure the stadium of the future became a reality. It's like juggling a million details, making sure not a single one slips through the cracks. Easier said than done? Ever wondered how they pulled it off? Getting everyone on board and ironing out all the details? The diplomacy and negotiation that made this project a reality are nothing short of incredible. The stadium of the future for the Jacksonville Jaguars is officially a go. After years of discussions, the $1.4 billion transformation of Everbank Stadium has been greenlit. This journey began back in 2016 with early talks, hitting major milestones along the way: formal planning in July 2020, an official proposal in June 2023, and final approval in June 2024. It's been a wild ride, but as they say, nothing worth having comes easy. Here's the financial scoop. Both the franchise and the city will each chip in $625 million, with Jacksonville adding an extra $150 million to prep the stadium for construction in 2026. The Jaguars will foot any cost overruns, so if the budget exceeds expectations, it's on them. While they still need official NFL owner approval, which is just a formality set for October 2024, everything else is on track. Construction kicks off in February 2025. For the 2025 season, the Jaguars will continue playing in Jacksonville, but with a slightly smaller stadium, holding over 60,000 fans. As construction progresses in 2026, the stadium's capacity will drop to around 43,500. For the 2027 season, the Jaguars might play their home games in Gainesville or Orlando, while the stadium wraps up its transformation. Finally, in August 2028, the Stadium of the Future will make its grand debut. This groundbreaking project is in the hands of some major players. H Architects are bringing their visionary designs to life, while PL Construction is supplying the muscle to turn those designs into reality. Meanwhile, Michael Hugh and Associates LLC are handling the expert advice on all the intricate details. With these heavyweights on board, the promise of the Stadium of the Future is well on its way to becoming a reality. First up, this new stadium is set to be 4 times wider, plenty of extra space to spread out. A shade canopy will cut down on heat by 70%, so you won't be baking under the Florida sun anymore. The concourse areas are also getting a huge boost, with a 185% increase in the main concourse and a 260% increase in the upper concourse. Plus, get ready for 13 new elevators, 32 new escalators, and a whopping 220 new food and beverage outlets. That's right, 220. Say goodbye to those long snack lines. This renovation is all about mixing the best of the old with the new, repurposing as much of the existing structure as possible. It's both cost-effective and eco-friendly. The exterior will be designed to cut down on utility needs, offering passive cooling, shading, and natural ventilation. All the key systems, HVAC, plumbing, mechanical, and electrical, are being upgraded to ensure everything runs seamlessly. And don't worry, the iconic video boards and spar are here to stay. With a base capacity of over 63,000, expandable to 71,500, this stadium is gearing up to host everything from NFL games to mega concerts. Plus, field-level club suites with premium amenities will offer fans an upscale experience like never before. But that's not all. The mixed-use development is set to revamp the entire neighborhood. We're talking about new retail shops, modern residential areas, entertainment spots, and upgraded infrastructure. The new communal spaces will include interactive social bars, diverse local food options, and vibrant retail venues. Imagine catching a game while savoring some of the best local cuisine. It's a foodie's paradise. Think that's impressive? You're in for a treat. The economic impact of this transformation on Jacksonville is nothing short of astounding. This isn't just about a high-tech football venue. It's a game-changer for the city's economy. The $1.4 billion investment is projected to ignite a massive $2.4 billion boost to Jacksonville's economy, creating 17,700 new jobs and generating $7.7 million in state and local taxes. Over the next 25 years, the stadium is expected to drive $10.3 billion in direct spending, leading to a total economic impact of $21.7 billion. That includes supporting 9,310 jobs annually and bringing in $1.3 billion in taxes. Those are some serious figures. Of course, projections look great on paper. Let's see how they play out in real life. From 2028 to 2052, non-local attendees are projected to pour a staggering $4.1 billion into Jacksonville's economy. Imagine the surge in business for restaurants, hotels, shops, and entertainment venues. It's a win for everyone. But the Jaguars aren't just sitting back and watching. They're ensuring local businesses get their fair share by teaming up with the Jacksonville Small and Emerging Business Division. They're also playing a key role in the revitalization of the nearby Southeast area, driving growth and opportunity. Yet, this isn't just about football. Everbank Stadium is set to become a vibrant community hub, hosting everything from the iconic Florida Versus, Georgia Football Classic, and the TaxSlayer Gator Bowl to international sports, monster truck rallies, concerts, and so much more. This venue is shaping up to be the heart of all things entertainment in Jacksonville. So, what are your thoughts about it? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to see more interesting videos just like this one. Thanks for watching. Until next time.